Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to use nearby sharing on Windows 11. So, as my one is Windows 10, so I'm going to share with you the steps or key steps you can follow to connect with your nearby devices or nearby share, how to use that. So, let us head over there. So, as you can see, to turn on nearby sharing, you have to go to Start to be in here. And in here, you have to go to Settings, then go to System, and then here you will be find Nearby Sharing. So under Nearby Sharing, so choose the devices you want to be able to share or receive content from. So there's a note, if you choose everyone nearby, the Bluetooth MAC address and the name of the PC are made available to other devices around you so you can share with other PCs nearby. This info could be used to link your PC to you. And to change the place where files you receive are stored, under saved files, I receive to select change and choose a new location and then select folder. And to share scenes, you can also share a document by going to the nearby sharing, and then just we go to the file explorer and click on share and then share any document you want. So yeah, this is how you can do it. I hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.